Hello friends, today we'll be checking out Photoshop features that's called object selection. So let's get started with the Photoshop object selection tool. First, go to the toolbar and there is a fourth option that's called object selection tool. Just select it and W is the shortcut key. Just select it and copy the main layer. Then just simply sample or layer, enhance the edges and object subtract. Just tick mark that layer and use mode and in mode use lasso tool to select the object and just select the subject where it automatically select and hide the main layer and mask it down. As you can see, Photoshop is doing great in 2020. The new update that it cut out the subject really well. If you want to modify the changes, as just select and mask it, then just zoom in and just here add it and press Alt to remove anything. So here something gets wrong, we will just control and select it down. Here it is, and then we should and right, and then here it is. Just press Alt so it's deselected. Bring down the size in upper side left side and just press Alt and deselect it, so you have the better mask out. And to check out, I have chosen a solid color layer and red, so to check easily how well it has been masked. So this was the basic object selection tool where you can subtract the object from the background so you can place in another image. If you want this type of Photoshop tutorial, a short and simple to enhance your Photoshop skills. If you want more this type of video, then do like, share and comment down.